Customisation allows you to tailor the workbench how you want it. To configure custom items, drag and drop the item to the desired location, either within an existing menu, inside a new menu, or within the ribbon. Configure the label, icon and visual size in the configuration panel. Select your own hotkey for operations by opening the hotkey configuration and specifying the desired key combination. Choose which tools are visible in the Quick Launch and Start page, or add your own. To find out more about Workbench customisation, contact your local Maptek office.